Okay, guys, just want to show you guys how you can do lip syncing for any video with Kling. I have this video that I generated with Kling 2.1, and I would like to lip sync this audio. I would like to lip sync this video. What I'm going to do is click on lip sync right here, wait for that to load up. Then I can do text to speech. I can use whatever speech I want to use. I'll use her voice and then go ahead and say, hello, this is a test of lip sync playing. And then I can change the emotion, happy, sad, angry, surprised, fear. I can make the emotion a certain way. And then I would go ahead and generate. And that would be that. The emotion is neutral. We'll go ahead and generate the lip sync video.